Okay, it's Gino Robert at the 2014 NAMM show. We're in Hall E, where all the best stuff happens. I got Shane here from WMD. He's going to tell us about their new line of modules.
Hi, Gino. So, in 2014, we have now announced a joint module system between Steady State Fate and WMD, and we're going to go and review those right now. All right, so starting with their Spectrum oscillator, we have the basic entry point system for anybody to join into the Euro system that's been scared of it before. We have all these new modules are brand spanking new, and you can see that they're a joint venture between WMD and Steady State Fate. We've made these an entry point level system so that anyone can jump right in and say, we need a couple more oscillators, a couple wave folders, a couple amplitude envelopes, and a brand new filter that we're introducing. Simple coarse tuning here with pulse width. It has a bunch of oscillator outputs. This is the pulse. This is the super saw with 1 octave down, 1 octave sub, and 2 octave sub. And the ever popular octave switches. We're going to make those voltage controllable in the final output version. Next in the chain, I've just patched a simple mono synth design. It goes into a wave folder, which is nice for crunching. And every single one of these new modules has an input drive stage, which is a saturation that we ended up learning from our compressor module that we put out. And so you can really drive these things to distort things into oblivion. Go out of the sign to maximize it. And you can hear that input drive really crunching things up nice. Next in the chain, we're going into the pole 0, which is a MOSFET VCF 4-pole. Nice and crunchy. And again, a MOSFET saturation stage. You can see and hear the drive. And finally into the VCA. And in this case, I'm just using it as the amplitude VCA. Again, with saturation. You can really hear it crunch up nice. Now, the way I have this mini slew, which is a very popular module for people to look at specifically because of the cycle time and rainbow LEDs, I'm just going to let that modulate the amplitude while I play with the knobs here. It's basically an attack and decay section, and you have control over shapes. You get nice percussive. Control the rise and the fall time. Again, I just have it hooked up to the gate. And that's our new system. Looking forward to putting these out in the next 60 days.